everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to be showing you how to delete your Yidio.com account. So let's jump in straight into the video. First of all, make sure to open up a web browser and type in Yidio.com in it. Once you make a search for it, go ahead and log into your existing Yidio account. After you're inside the main home page, go ahead and mouse over to your profile picture at the top right hand corner and click on account. Now, you will be able to see this account settings interface. Once you end up in this account settings page, click on the help button at the bottom of the screen. Now, from the support center page, scroll all the way down under my account and click on I would like to delete my Yidio account link. Before deleting your Yidio account, once you end up in this page, go ahead and click on this link where it says, for your convenience, you can delete your account anytime here. Simply click on the link provided and on the next page, click on delete my account. Remember that deleting your account will delete any files you've uploaded and you will be logged out of the system. So click on delete my account if you wish to continue deleting your account, and on the next page, you should be able to see you are in the main home page for Yidio. Soon after you click on the button, you will be able to delete your account for Yidio. But if you've made any kind of a subscription, you'll first need to cancel the subscription in order to delete your account. So that is how easy it is to delete your account or cancel your account for Yidio.com. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.